What's up guys, this is Tech Rec coming back at you guys with another top 5 Cydia tweaks for iOS 7. Alright, the first tweak I'm going to show you guys is something called Display Recorder. Let's jump into it. After you have installed this, you're going to go ahead and set up an activation method. My activation method is to hold the status bar in order to turn on Display Recorder. So once I do turn it on, it'll prompt up this little message, start recording display. Go ahead and hit record. And then Display Recorder will actually come up with this little red dot to let you know it's actually recording. So anything you do on your iPhone screen or iPad screen or iPod screen, whatever device you're using, it'll actually record everything. So as you can see here, I'm just jumping into my notes. Alright, so to turn it off, you could go back and do the same activation method, and it'll turn off the exact same way that it turns on. So then after you have recorded your video, you could go back into Display Recorder and it'll show you that video, and you have the options to upload it to YouTube, rename the recording, add it to your camera roll, or go back and play the video. So as you guys can see here, it works really fine. This is when I was showing you guys that you can move it, and right now I'm going to jump into my notes. And it actually doesn't have that much of a lag. It's pretty good quality. And alright, so let's go back into Display Recorder and I'll show you guys some of the settings that it actually comes with. And right here you actually do have the option to choose your video format. So the video that I recorded right now, it didn't have any audio. You can actually turn on that little option right here, so anytime that you do want to display record something, you could turn on the mic and then upload it directly to YouTube. Just if you don't have like a good camera, you could just upload your videos directly from this little tweak, which is pretty cool. And it does give you some more options, like the video quality. I have mine set to medium. It will give you the option to actually change the rotation, excuse me. And I have mine set to current, but if you want to record in landscaping mode or upside down, left to right, it's all here guys. It's all built into this one tweak. It's a pretty cool tweak. Go ahead and check that one out. It's called Display Recorder. Alright guys, the next tweak I'm going to be showing you is called Nitrous. This is 99 cents from the Big Boss repo, but it does work for iOS 7. Nitrous basically gives you guys the JavaScript engine boost to all your apps. Normally it only works with Safari and iBooks, but they've actually built it to work with all of your apps. And there's really just no way that I can show you guys that this actually works. But me personally, I have noticed the difference in the speed of my apps when I did install this. And when you do install this, it'll give you just one setting for Nitrous, and it's the setting to enable it or disable it. So it's basically the option to see how it works with it when it's turned on, and to see how it works without it when it's turned off. So you guys could basically be the judge on that to see if it works. But you guys could go ahead and check this one out if you want. Alright guys, the next tweak I'm going to be showing you is called Remove Badges. This is a free tweak from the Big Boss repo, and all it basically does is what the name says. It removes your badges. So if you have a lot of badges and you're just annoyed by them and you just want to get rid of them easy and fast, Remove Badges is a good tweak for that. All you have to do is set up an activation method in Activator, and this will work very easy. So what I did is I set mine up to work with my volume button. So I just have to hold it and it'll get rid of this little badge right here. And just like that, it gets rid of it. And it does give you some settings. I mean, you could jump into settings and then go to remove badges, go to activation methods, and then just set one up that you guys want, and it's as simple as that. That's remove badges guys. Alright guys, the next tweak I'm going to be showing you is called I Got Ya. And there's a couple things I really love about this tweak and a couple things I really hate. And what I hate about this tweak is I've actually purchased it 3 times guys. I've purchased it the first time for the iOS 5 jailbreak, the second time for the iOS 6, and a third time now for the iOS 7. What I hate is that every time the developer updates this, he charges you again. So that's what I really hate about it, but it does have a free trial, so you guys could go ahead and install it free of charge. Just let me show you guys what I do like about it. So we're gonna jump into our settings, and we're gonna scroll down to where it says I gotcha. And what I got you basically is it's a new way to protect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod, whatever device you guys have. So for example, let's say you leave your phone somewhere and somebody picks it up and tries to unlock it by putting in a wrong passcode. What it'll actually do, depending on what options you guys have turned on, is it'll take a picture. It'll give you the current location of when that incorrect passcode was put, and it'll show a little message. I think the standard message is return this iPhone or iPod or iPad to its original owner, something like that, but I like putting smile for the camera. And when it does take a picture of them, it'll give you the option to send it to an email address or to a phone number. So here, let me see. The acquire location option does work, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to have it turned off just because I don't want you guys knowing where I live or where I'm from. But take my word for it, it does work. So just let's go ahead and try this out. Let me show you guys how this works. So I'm going to lock my device, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a wrong passcode. And as you can see there, it'll come up with a message saying smile for the camera. Let me zoom into that. And right off the bat, yeah, it'll send you an email photo of the person who put in that wrong passcode. So I'm going to go into my email. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. And I did try this out before I started recording just to make sure it works. So it's just going to take it a while. Come on. There we go. So as you guys can see here, I did get the picture of the email. So as you guys can see there, it did take a picture. I wasn't in front of the camera, but it works, guys. It's really cool. I mean, and like I said, if you want a more accurate way to use this, go ahead and turn on your locations, and go ahead and turn on the acquire location option. And that's I got you guys. It's a really cool tweak, but like I said, it's really expensive. I don't know if you guys want to waste that much money, but in the long run, who knows, it might help you guys out. Go ahead and check that one out. Alright guys, and the fifth and final tweak I'm going to be showing you is called Gridlock 2.0. And Gridlock is a fairly simple tweak. It is a paid tweak from the Big Boss repo, but when you install this, there are no options to configure. There's no new icon. It's built in automatically. So what it allows you to do is you can grab any icon and go ahead and drag it anywhere you want. Normally when you're moving your icons, it would automatically pop up to the next available location in this row, but Gridlock takes that away and allows you to freely put little icons anywhere you want, and they'll stay there. And that's basically what Gridlock 2.0 does, guys. So I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, rate, comment, and subscribe. This is Tech Rec, and I'll see you guys next time.